Vande Mataram students. In the previous video of this chapter, that is two big states, we had discussed the full chapter as well as we had revised the full chapter in detail. So now in this video we are going to solve the exercise, that is the question answer of this chapter. You have to write down all the question answers in your notebook as well. So pay attention and watch the video carefully. So starting with the first question. So the question is, study the maps of the states of Harsh and Pulkeshi II and note down the major cities and rivers. After reading the maps of the states of Harsh and Pulkeshi II, the major cities are Ujjaini, Kannauj, Patliputra, and the rivers are Chambal, Yamuna, and Ganga. Now second question, what was the difference between Pulkeshi II and Harsh personality? King Harsh and Pulkeshi II was great warrior. Both were contemporary kings. They were great in their respective fields. Yes, there was a considerable difference between two of them. The great king Harshvardhan divided his daily activities into three parts. With the tenant observation, he spent most of the day in charity, meditation, and religious work. He built many temples and monasteries. Every 5 years, he held a religious conference. He was so kind. On the other hand, Pulkeshi II was a heroic warrior. He was valiant. He has fought more than Harshvardhan and he has won many battles since Harshvardhan. He was not only a great and a hero, he was also an art lover. Cave paintings built in his time. Although their personalities are different from each other, they are great in their respective fields. Now third question, why did Yun Sang carry books, relics and statues back with him to China? The Chinese traveler Yun Sang visited India during Harsh's reign for 15 years. After many years he spent in India, he wanted to go back China again, so he took with him many books, relics and statues with him in China. Now fourth question, whom did Harsh think of freeing after ascending the throne? After shouldered the responsibility of Thaneshwar, Harsh wanted to release his sister Rajyashree, who was imprisoned by the king of Malwa, Devgupta. Now the fifth question, name the plays written by Emperor Harshvardhan. Emperor Harshvardhan was great art lover. During his time, the beauty of the art developed. He used to write plays himself. His plays are Nagananda, Ratnavali and Priyadarshika. Now sixth question, which caves were constructed during Pulkeshi II reign? Pulkeshi II was not only a great warrior, also a lover of arts. The cave of Atapi and Dharapuri were built during his reign. The famous cave of Ajanta were also painted at that time. So here we have finished the exercise of this chapter, and now you have to write down all the question answers in your notebook as well. You have to read the question answer again and stay safe and thank you.